How's it going, guys? So we do have a handful of teams available if anybody is interested in picking up some teams before we start. We have the Carolina Panthers, the Denver Broncos, the Detroit Lions, the Houston Texans, the Los Angeles Rams, the San Francisco 49ers, and the Tennessee Titans available. Panthers, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Rams, 49ers, and Titans. I think we're asking $7 per team. Or I think he's doing, if anyone wants all the teams, I'm doing a spot deal for $30. So Panthers, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Rams, 49ers, and Titans, $7 a piece, or all 7 teams for $30. If anyone has any interest in those before we start. So again, just before we start, we do have the Panthers, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Rams, 49ers, and Titans available. All those teams will be $7 a piece, or if someone wants to take all 7 teams, we will do a combo spot, all 7 teams for $30. If anyone is interested, please let me know in the chat. Here is our owner's list. This is our 2020 Absolute Football Fat Packs 1-box break number 34. Here is the owner's list. As you can see, we do have the Panthers, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Rams, 49ers, Titans available, $7 a piece, or all 7 teams for $30. Brewdog wants the Titans. All right, Brewdog, you have the Titans. There's our PayPal brew. You'll have to remind me again if you're in this break or not. And if so, what team you have. Or if you're not, just give me what name you want on the team. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're in here then. I remember. Thank you, sir. The Titans are yours. Thank you. Thank you, Micah. So here is our sealed box. That does leave the Panthers, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Rams, and 49ers, if anyone else wants any of those while I open the packs. $7 a piece. Or all 6 for $30. Thank you, Brewdog. I'm going to throw away the kids' reporter cards as we go. David, what 2 were you interested in? It would depend on what 2, David. Yeah, I'll do that, David. That 2 for $10 sounds like a good price to me, so I'll do that for the rest of you guys if you want. So David, PayPal's in the chat. You're already in the break, I see. You have the Colts and the Buccaneers and the Eagles. So I'll write you down Denver and the 49ers. You got those teams, David. I'm assuming that is the same David M that's on here, correct? Buccaneers, Eagles, Colts. Okay, James. James, that would leave the Rams, the Texans, and the Lions, and the Panthers. So if you want to do the 2 for $10 deal, I can give you those for $20. Those 4 for $20. And then James, are you in here or not? I don't think you're in the break. James, are you in the break already or not? Let me know if you're in the break. Sounds good, guys. Appreciate the help. James, is that going to be your... Okay, so your name under PayPal is Beyond Wireless, but I'll put you on the sheet here as James M. Just make sure that if you don't have an address associated with your PayPal that you message us so that we know where to send your package. That goes for anybody that paid for PayPal. Please make sure that if you don't have an address on your PayPal that you send us a message so we can have an address to send your package. Oh, I'm sorry, James. I thought I had it in the chat. Let me put it in there again. There you go, James. Alright, there's our break. Once again, thanks to you guys that helped fill it. Always appreciated. Now let's see if I can pull you something. Here we go. We have greens of Kirk Cousins and Sam Darnold. For the Raiders, green Henry Ruggs rookie. Kyler Murray red zone. There's a nice Tom Brady insert for the Patriots. Jack S. Sean Vaughn. DJ Dallas. Excuse me. Jake Fromm. Ben DiNucci. There's a nice Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Jeffrey got the Justin Jefferson. Darrell Taylor. Green Deebo Samuel. Green Joey Bosa. And for the Buccaneers, Tyler Johnson. Tyler Johnson, green rookie for the Buccaneers. Devin Duvernay introductions. Mike Williams, Unsung Heroes. Noah IG. Thank you, James. DK. Cam Akers. Green JJ Watt. Green Derek Carr. For the Bears, Jalen Johnson. Barry Sanders, Fantasy Flashbacks. Stargazing DeAndre Hopkins. Cole Kmet. Jacob Eason. Yatir Gross Matos. Jerry Jeudy. CeeDee Lamb. KJ Hamler. Denzel Mims. Marquise Brown. Miles Sanders. DeAndre Hopkins. For the San Francisco 49ers, Brandon Ayuk, green rookie for the 49ers. Kenyon Drake, Unsung Heroes. Austin Eckler, red zone. Joe Burrow. There's a nice one for the Bengals. Joe Burrow rookie. Joe Burrow. Nice for the Bengals. Kyle S. Yeah, David. Hey, I almost skipped past the Jalen Hurts. Can't do that. Jalen Hurts stock rising. Carson Wentz getting traded. Jalen Hurts, Philly. Philadelphia is going to David M. There you go, David. A.J. Dillon. Jonathan Taylor. Todd Gurley green, Adrian Peterson green. For Cleveland, Donovan Peoples-Jones for Cleveland. Travis Kelce. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, introductions rookie. Jalen Reagor. Jordan Love. It's a nice one for the Packers. Jack S. Laviska Shenault Jr. Zach Moss. Trubisky. Minka Fitzpatrick. Green C.J. Mosley. Green Devontae Adams. And then for the not the Redskins, the football team, I should say, Thaddeus Moss, green rookie. Josh Allen reaching for that pylon, red zone insert. Thurman Thomas, fantasy flashbacks. Anthony Gordon. No, I have not seen any autos come out of these though, guys, but there are kabooms. Kabooms are possible. Joe Reed. Chase Young, rookie. It's a nice one for Washington. Frank Clark. Le'Veon Bell. Ryan Tannehill. Tommy Stevens. Chris Godwin. KJ Hamler. T. Higgins. Kyle Duggar. Prochet, Anthony McFarland Jr., Josh Uche. Gabriel Davis for the Bills, that's a nice one. Austin Eckler, green. Adam Thielen, green. For the Lions, Jason Huntley. Green rookie for the Lions. Christian McCaffrey, red zone. Fantasy flashback, Boomer Esiason on the Cardinals. That's crazy to see. Grant Delpit. There's a Tua. Tua Tagovailoa from Miami. Miami Dolphins are going to Rich H. Rich H. Tua. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Greens of Darren Waller and Jared Goff. For Washington, we have a green Antonio Gandy Golden. Antonio Gandy Golden. Jordan Love, introductions, insert rookie. Sammy Watkins, unsung heroes. Tyler Johnson, Jalen Johnson, Brandon Ayuk. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Thaddeus Moss, Jermichael Hasty. We do have our parallel here, guys. I'm going to try to save that for last. It is a rookie, so I'll put that there for last, guys. Good luck for that. Looked like a red. Christian McCaffrey green, David Johnson green. For the Atlanta Falcons, Jared Pinkney, Green rookie for the Falcons, Jared Pinkney. Fantasy flashback, Dante Culpepper. Tom Brady, that's a nice insert for the Buccaneers. David B. There you go, there's a Tom Brady. Antonio Gandy Golden. DeAndre Swift, that's a nice one for Detroit. Detroit was picked up by James M. Henry Ruggs III. Greens of Dwayne Haskins and Carson Wentz. Here's another nice one for Detroit. DeAndre Swift, green rookie. DeAndre Swift. Philip Lindsay. Red zone, Derrick Henry. Antonio Gibson. Hey, there we go. Justin Herbert. Nice one for the Chargers here. Justin Herbert. Chargers going to Micah W. Justin Herbert. Darnell Mooney. Van Jefferson. Nice Herbert. Josh Jacobs. Derrick Henry. Julio Jones. Michael Pittman Jr. Green rookie for the Colts. Christian McCaffrey. Chase Claypool. Introductions insert rookie. Glad to hear it, Mika. Jeff Okuda. Darrington Evans. Jawan Jennings. Alright guys, let's see who our parallel is and who gets it. Here we go. For the Cowboys, Dallas Cowboys get a red Ben DiNucci, numbered to 199, 53 of 199 on the Ben DiNucci. Congratulations to Dallas. Maybe watch back the break and see if you see it. I mean, you saw the stack in front of me. Every card that was on the stack I showed. Yeah, the Ben DiNucci red is pretty nice looking. It's going to the Cowboys. Christopher S. Alright, we're going to start our recap with this. Ben DiNucci red to 199. Then we got a Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Mika W. Tua Tagovailoa for Miami. Rich H. Jalen Hurts for Philly. That's going to David M. And then we got a Joe Burrow for Cincinnati. Kyle S. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this break. We do have two more tonight. We have a Mosaic football break coming up right after this in about 10 minutes. And then we also have a 10-box 2021 Topps Blaster box break coming up later tonight at 8:15. So I'll be back here in about 15 minutes or so for the next break. So if you guys want to come hang out with me, that'd be cool. Appreciate everybody in the chat, and James and David and Mika for helping fill the breaks. And until next time, guys, appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great rest of your night. Be safe.